Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Hey!
I don't want to be loud around here.
I know.
All right, so now what do you want to do? You want to pull that out now?
I'm gonna get this bucket. It's a 65. It's the first year for the bigger windows. It's a parts car.
What do you mean
Whatever.
bigger windows?
Well, the bigger's got big in 65 its first year. Look, this one is a 64 door. It has a room door. That's
Well,
okay.
you can see that the window is a lot smaller, right?
Yeah. See how big this is? And then right over here is, so see how tiny? And then they put a 63, 64 door. So forget that. But it's complete. It's got the engine, which it used to run at one point, right? I know, but you know what I mean. When you had it, it ran.
Yeah, this ran when I got it running.
One thing is the engine's frozen.
I think
it's stuck.
Well,
Well,
it's not as bad as you think. It's probably frozen and everything, but it's a possibility to unstuck it.
66 was the first year for the 1300.
Not to
It said
mention-
it right here.
Yeah, this is a gray market car.
Yeah,
This car is from
Italy. Yeah.
There's a sticker that says some kind of Volkswagen dealer in Milan.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look, if you look at the license plate, look how narrow it is. It's got a European style license plate. See how small it
Narrow,
is?
it's big. It's a giant square.
Well, it's not a regular, rectangle.
Look,
it's square.
it comes
See
all
that?
the way down to here. See
Yeah,
that?
it goes all the way down. See that? Yeah. So
Love to know what part of Italy. Somebody took that off after the car was here.
I'm
Probably.
sure, yeah. If I had an antique
And,
plate, people go crazy for those ones
yeah.
over there.
Another indication that it's a Euro model. Amber.
Mhm.
From Hella, not from like whatever
Yeah.
company. From Hella.
Now-
All right, come on.
That's a giant beehive.
Where?
Never mind, that's just dirt.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Here's the bumper to it, right? Anybody know what this bumper's from? Let me know in the comments.
What kind of car you mean?
Yeah. What kind of cigar you got today?
Kiki Momo, baby.
Oh, man.
Only the best.
Wait, stop. You're missing the whole thing.
Little kid. Take the pulley, hook it up. Pull the car as far out as you can, and then you hook it up to the truck.
Pretend like I'm saying stuff to the camera so he gets mad, because then he thinks I'm saying bad things about him, but I'm really not, right? Huh?
Don't bust my balls. Pull.
See?
What the? You know, sometimes it's just unbelievable what happens.
What?
I stepped in possum.
Chain came off. That's okay. There we go. See, what happens is I don't want to back the tow truck up over here because it's all wet, all mud. You know what's going to happen? The truck's going to sink in the ground. We'll go pull this out and we ain't getting out. Maybe the bug will come out, but not the truck. So that's why we're doing it with the pulley, and this is the professional way to do it.
It felt like somebody was watching me.
Look
We
good,
have a
Denise.
shop
That's
floor.
good. I feel like Back to the Future. The plug didn't reach this much.
Now lift up the bed. Put the bed back. Just by putting the bed higher, it's lifting up, and your angle of pulling is way up. Now pull from here. Before you get it out. See, like sometimes you got like a big curve or something you got to go over. It's better to lighten the front of the car. I want you to take the truck and just slowly go forward. It'll straighten the car out and everything. All right, now hook it up, put it on the thing. By the time it gets over to the bed, you'll have it'll straighten itself out by the time you get there.
Yep.
Now, your back wheel on the other side is going to go over the side of the thing. Get the truck, turn left, it'll straighten it up perfect.
Leroy, be careful, it's all ice.
You should see the ride I went on over here on this thing one time.
Why, you actually?
The ride I took on this, woo! I was doing one of these.
It wasn't doing anything.
And I wasn't dancing. Boom! Upside down on my back this way.
How the hell did you do that?
Next to a car.
You went under the car?
They keep laughing.
The car's dancing. Look dance, look dance.
Hey, it's got fake white walls.
Oh, they push in?
This is an insert. This is called the cheap guy's white wall.
Yep.
Let's say he's looking for a girlfriend and got no money. They put this kind of a white wall on cars. This is not from this car. It's from another car. It's from.
Yeah.
It's a poor man's white wall. During World War II, you couldn't even get white walls. You had to put the inserts in.
Yeah, I know.
But this car was after.
Yeah, this is.
That's the poor man's white wall.
Drive. Waiting for Pops to close the gate. He's f***ing around.
Oof. Listen, come on. Is it in gear?
I don't think so, no.
Listen, go get my car, back it up.
Where's the pulley?
Put the chain and back this thing off.
You can use the pulley, but that takes too long.
Go get the car. What are you doing to me?
I need keys.
I don't have any. They're in the car, in the truck. He's always reaching for my pockets. Wait. No. Another day in the neighborhood. For all your parts needs, call Giuseppe's Garage, 555-85309. Foreign and domestic.
What?
New and old.
I can't hear you.
Any part you need, come see Giuseppe, 555-5309. Okay, out you go. And before he comes out and comes over here, bust my chops with all these weird phrases. over the world. One junk car at a time. Get out of here. I'm done. I did it. I did it. It's done. Go away. Go away.
That
go away.
is
Go away.
my line.
Go away.
No.
Go away. Go away.
Leroy, one
Done,
set of
done.
65 Volkswagen Beetles at a time. I still did it. Next time on Giuseppe's Garage, a boulder gets in the way.
It'll be fine.
The rear axle.
Yo.
Pops gets stranded.
Well, that's that.
Pops poses. I'm stuck.
I'm in a groundhog hole.
And Pops goes deaf.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.